Hello everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 11 July 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. In a major boost to India's maritime security, the Indian Navy will commission the advanced stealth warship INS Mahendragiri at Visakhapatnam today. The IMD has issued a red alert for Chandigarh, Mohali and Panchkula following heavy rainfall, while Delhi remains under a yellow alert for thunderstorms and rain.
International news. NASA astronaut Anil Menon is set to travel to the International Space Station on 14 July as part of an upcoming space mission. A cargo aircraft operated by Pakistan's K2 Airways crashed into the Arabian Sea shortly after takeoff. Authorities have launched an investigation into the incident.
Karnataka state news. Bengaluru is hosting Nritya Rangoli 2026, a 3-day classical dance festival featuring renowned artists from across India.
Sports news. France became the first team to reach the FIFA World Cup 2026 semi-finals after defeating Morocco 2-0 in the quarter-finals.
Thought of the day. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.